Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma MG3650. I'm going to show you how to copy document with this printer. We're going to copy document two-sided in color and also copy document in black. I'm also going to show you how to copy document from Canon Print app with your mobile phone. So first of all, we want to copy this document in color. So open the glass, stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. You will see arrow on the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the cover. From the control panel, you select this button to copy document in color. Select this button to copy the document in black. If you want to copy the document more than one, then you need to tap this 2 times to copy 2 or 3 times to copy 3. The same thing is applicable to color document. If you change your mind, you press this stop button to cancel it. And also if you want to change the paper we have here is A4. So once you load the paper, if you want to change it, then you need to press this to change the paper. It goes to 4x6. So the paper is gone back to A4, plain paper. Now to copy the document, want to copy this document in color, then press this once. This is the document we copied. If you want to copy the other side, two-sided, then reload the document on the paper tray with the information facing up. Make sure the information facing up. Then turn the document the other way around to copy the next page, the other part of the document. Then you select color button to copy color. If you want to copy it in black, then you select this button to copy in black. So select this once. So it will take the document and copy on the next page. This is the document we copied two-sided in color. So if you want to copy the document in black, then you press this black to copy the document in black. So this is the black text. So this is the document we copied in black text. If you want to copy it two-sided, you need to reload it on the tray. Once you reload it with information facing up, then turn the document the other way around, close the cover, then select black. This is the document we copied two-sided black. We copied this one two-sided in color. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to copy with Canon Print app. This printer and mobile device both are connected via Canon Print app. So select Canon Print app. This is Canon Print app. And the printer is online, MG3650 series. If you want to copy, if you select copy with mobile device, then you select change settings, select number of copies, select A4, plain paper, quality standard. Then you go back, then select copy color or copy black, and also make sure you have the document you want to copy on the glass scanner. Close the cover, then select copy color, and it will ask you enter password. Now we need to print out network configuration for us to get the password. So what you need to do is you need to press this Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds, and the power on button will highlight, then release it, press it again, it will print out network configuration report. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button, 1, 2, then you can see the power on button is highlighting, then release it, press the Wi-Fi button again, then release, then wait. This will print out network configuration report. So this is network configuration report, and from this report it will show you product name and serial number. So we need to enter the serial number for this printer. So it will ask you password. So the password, sometimes some printers it will give you password, sometimes some printer will give you the serial number. So we're going to enter the serial number as the password for this. So what I'm doing now is typing the serial number. Double check the information to make sure the information is correct. Then once you put the serial number, then you select OK, and it starts copying. So this printer, what you require is the serial number. Once you print the network configuration report, it will show you the details. So, and now it's copying. This is the document we copied, and also we show you copying. We selected this completed, then you select OK. So we selected the copy from the app instead of selecting from the control panel. So we selected the copy using the app. Now we copied this in color. I want us to copy it in black and white, two-sided. So we're going to reload the document, then turn the document the other way around. Close the cover. Now we want to copy this in black, so select black copy. This is the document. So we copied this in black and also this one in color. And we show you completed. Then you select OK. So this is how to copy documents from the control panel, and also how to copy with mobile device, and how to print out network configuration report and put the password you require for you to be able to copy with mobile device. Thank you very much indeed.